Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am participating in day 29 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is reveal. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, all right. I'm going to just do a reveal page. And I've got these different items, and I'm just going to use those. And I am just going to score this just to make it easier for me. I was just going to score down that line so that it will flip. And I'm just going to attach it to the back there, and that will help that too. So I am just going to put it like that. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. Not a lot going on. Kind of gloomy weather, but at least it's a little bit warmer. I mean, it's still cold. We had frost on the windshield this morning, but it's still a lot better than the teens and the 20s that we were getting last week. I just don't do well in cold weather anymore. All right, and now that can just reveal like that. All right, and I'll just decorate. I've got this, it came from Amy at Crafty Cat, chocolate. I just cut the chocolate out of the card that she had given us. And I think I'm just going to kind of just do a little collage there. I like the background. Maybe kind of do a little something like that. Or maybe see what else I have. I like that. So let me get that down. Tomorrow, or which will be today for y'all, I'm supposed to be going to Tupelo. So my youngest son's birthday was December the 27th, but he didn't get his vacation until today. And my husband's got his vacation, and my older son will be off. So we're going for his late birthday trip. We always try to go for our birthdays to Tupelo or Tuscaloosa, depending on where the mood strikes us. We are comic book geeks, and we used to go to Tuscaloosa because they had a couple of comic book stores, but one of them closed right around COVID era. And so we don't go there as often. The other store is really nice. I love the people there, but they're a lot higher. So we just don't make it. And since I started my channels, I don't get to read comics like I used to. I love to read anything. My husband is for the story. I mean, my husband's for the artwork. I'm for the story. But I do like good artwork for sure. All right, put that down. Help if I take my pen out. Just two more after this one. Okay. We'll go there. I like it. I will see. Find my I use pencil sharpener. There it is. You clean up, you can't remember where you put it. Okay. And I'm just going to go around my candy. And this paper is a scrap left over from Happy Meal. I love getting Happy Meal. I need to do a better job of sending it out. All right. So we got that page decorated. And then we can, oh, I didn't think about that. That's okay. We can still work with it. Duh, Susan. All right. And now we've got this lady eating the chocolate. So I think, thinking about kind of something along these lines. So get her over as far as I can that way. I'm going to go ahead and glue her down, but I'm going to leave some edge up for right now if I want to tuck anything in. And I want this one first. I like that. It's always fun to go to Tupelo. They have a Joann's and a Hobby Lobby. Can't really afford a whole lot right now. It's tax season and we had car problems and had to get new tires. And so, but my sweet sons gave me a gift card for Hobby Lobby, so I can go there. All right. There we go. I like that. And now, I've got these little flowers. I've already inked everything. And I've got this that I can put in the middle. Okay. There we go. And just so, I'll add my butterfly because I didn't do one yesterday. I think I'll add that. Gotta draw your eye across the bottom. Cute. And I can go ahead and put that down. kind of go around my butterfly just a little bit to help it pop from the background. And let's see, I will add antenna. Okay, I don't know how I keep scooching over there. And now I'll add some gold splatters. Oh, first of all, I'm just going to kind of go around. Should have done it with my pen. And I'll go ahead and add some there. All right. So I will have to work on getting this opening and closing. And we have our reveal. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals. And be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.